People are asking why I don't batch film much more often. So why I don't sit down on a Saturday and just film 5 videos and then I have everything in advance. And then I'm not that worried if one video doesn't work because I can always upload a second one. Willkommen, bienvenue, welcome. My name is Carola. So I just got myself a coffee so I could pull down the mask so you can hear. And today's vlog is actually a behind the scenes vlog. My friend Gabby and I were working on a video for the series Lupin. With the 10-kilometer radius, she can't go to Montreuil, but I can. So I'm on my way. Cheers. So I'm still having my coffee, going for a walk in the night. I'm actually getting to metro number 7 and then I have to get into metro number 9 in order to get to Montreuil. Okay, get rid of that. I hope you can still hear me. I'm actually doing a very French thing that is not very German, to just randomly cross the street at a red light. I feel so sorry about them because they're open, it doesn't look open. Just arrived in Montreuil, in the metro station, so I shouldn't be far away now. I'll have to check my phone. So this is actually the story of why I very rarely batch film. I'm currently on my way to film a scene for a video. It took me about 40 minutes to get here, and the scene in the film will be less than a minute. Found it! And then I'm going back, and that is why I don't batch film. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. See you next time. Bye.
Down on every Paris street, always something new to meet. Paris stands for all to see, with her ancient history.